Hi, this is Sarah McClellan with Pixels and Pills. I'm at the multi-channel pharma marketing event in Princeton, New Jersey. I'm standing here with Anna Stachauer, who is the president and publisher of PM360. How has your conference been so far?
So far, it's been fabulous. I've had an opportunity to listen to and engage with several thought leaders in this area, and that's always a good thing for our magazine.
So I want to talk to you a little bit about what your magazine is all about and why it's important for pharma marketers to really read it and get information from it. What do you offer these people?
Well, specifically, we offer marketing and branding information. It's information that is written by thought leaders. It's very timely and easy to read information, and it will keep you up to date on how to be successful in commercializing your brand. We mix that up. The 360 in our name is reflective of the fact that we mix up this information with just information for the entire person. Information on what's new out there in terms of gadgets, things that will make it fun for you to read through the entire magazine from the beginning to the end. Also, visually a very interesting looking magazine, unlike some of the other B2B magazines that are rather dry and difficult to get through. So that's what I've been told.
Well, it sounds like it's a fantastic publication. During your time here at this conference, was there anyone in particular that you found really had some great ideas, some really innovative, new motivating ideas towards social media, the media mix, how everything is changing and evolving?
Well, I always enjoy listening to David Kramer. Yes. And I know David personally, and I regard him at the highest level of transformer. Yeah. And he's brilliant and very articulate and concise in his thoughts, and I always enjoy listening to him.
Well, thank you so much for speaking to us today, and I'm sure we're going to see you at many more conferences coming up. Thank you so much. This is Sarah McClellan with Pixels and Pills.